Let's calculate how many parameters we actually save by applying a bottleneck. So what we see here is the original input. Let's say it's 64 by 64 and we have a channel depth of 256. So input is 64 times 64 times 256. And for the filters, we have 128 and they consist of 3 by 3 kernels. And because the input has a channel depth of 256, we also have to multiply here by 256 to get the total number of parameters for the filters. And what that gives us is around 300,000 parameters. Now what happens if we first apply a bottleneck? So here the filters will be, let's say, also 128, so that we reduce the channel depth to 128. Then we have a 1 by 1 convolution. And of course our filters have to cover the entire channel depth of the input, so we multiply by 256. And that gives us then only around 30,000 parameters. But that was only the bottleneck. We also have to apply the convolution. And so we want to actually do the same convolution that we did above. So filters will be 128, 3 times 3. But now we have a reduced channel depth, so we multiply by 128. So that's the half of that. And so we have around 150,000. And so in total, we go to 180,000, which is a lot less than 300,000 parameters.